one-on-one when it comes to Airbnb. So for me, this is the pricing that I have for my 1-bedrooms. My rent, that includes pest, trash, that also includes the garage that I had, was for both units, came out to $1,200. So my rent is $1,200. The light bill is about $50 to $60, and then the internet was $40. So overall, I was paying about $1,300 total for that apartment. So what you're supposed to do to figure out how much you should price your unit at is you multiply your rent times 2. 1,200 times 2 is 2,400. That is going to be your starting point of how much you need to make in a month. And then you multiply 1,200 times 3, which is 3,600. So basically each month you want to make between $2,400 to $3,600 or more so that you can make the rent and put money in your pockets. Obviously you want to make closer to 3 times because that's more money that goes in your pockets after rent. But if you stay within that range, you're going to come out on top. You're not going to have to worry about breaking even. So what you end up doing after that, with Airbnb, there's no guarantee that you're going to be booked all 30 days. That's another thing people don't tell you. It's 30 days in a month, but the middle weekdays, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesdays, it's not a guarantee you're always going to have those booked. So we're going to divide our $2,400 by 25 days because that's basically going to tell us minimally how much we need to charge a night so that we can get the money that we need. So if you divide 2,400 by 25 days, you get $96. So minimally, your unit needs to be going for $96 a night so that you can make your $2,400 in a month. Now, another thing that you have to be mindful of is during the week, those are days that people don't always book out as much. So you will have to go down on your weekdays at times just to make sure you get a booking. So you got to play with your bookings, honestly. On the weekends, I always say put your weekends higher to make up for any dollars that you may lose during the week. So if I'm supposed to do $96 a day, let's say I do $100 to $110 a day on the weekend, and then during the week I'm just gonna do like $85 or $80 so that I make sure I get bookings. You don't want to have your numbers too high to where you don't get any bookings at all, because honestly, I'd rather be booked at $80 for 3 days than have no booking at all. And instead of me being booked 25 days, I was only booked 20 or 15 days out the month. You want to make sure you make your money, so you got to stay on top of your bookings and see, okay, I don't have any bookings this week. Let me change out my numbers, drop it down a little bit, and I promise you within a day or two, you'll have a booking. That's something that I learned on 3 different units. Even with my friends' units, we've all said that you drop the numbers a little bit, you get a booking, and you make your money. So that's something that's really important as far as your pricing. Another thing that you have to be very mindful of is your cleaning fee. This is something that me and my friend realized after having Airbnbs for a while. If you have a cleaner, my cleaner charged $65. But my cleaning fee was $75 to $80 because I wanted to leave that $10 to $15 each cleaning for extra supplies that we need. So some cleaning companies provide their own cleaning stuff, other people don't. But outside of that, you still need toilet paper. You're going to need paper towels. People will steal your towels because they damn sure stole mine. I even had somebody steal a comforter before. Or just over time, you get wear and tear with stuff. So you're going to have to replace towels and different things of that nature. So you have to leave a small amount, $10 to $15 per booking on that cleaning fee to make up for whatever it is you have to purchase so that you're not coming out of pocket on anything. So that's something else that's super important for you to remember when you're pricing your Airbnb. I'm so excited that, y'all are getting into this. It's been a real journey, but we can make this happen. That's pretty much it. Another thing I would say is also add the option for people to do long-term rentals. I've had a few people come to me. I've had nurses that have came. I've had people who were moving to Houston, but they were waiting on their home to be built, and it was going to be for another month or two. And then they booked the Airbnb until then. Just people that's moving here and trying to decide where they want to live. There's so many different reasons why people will book a long-term rental. give them a bit of a discount if they are going to book long termly. So if you want $2,400 for the month so that you can, get your minimum money, you can bring it down to $2,200 or something of that nature. Or if you have it to where it's at $96 a month or $100 a night and it's coming out to $3,200 for them to book for the month, bring it down to $2,800. You've already went over your minimum. You're putting extra money in your pocket and you have a long-term rental. Long-term rentals are golden. Why? Because you ain't got to do shit. You don't have to worry about constantly having cleanings, which means you save money with the cleaning company. You don't have to worry about people checking in and out and dealing with the back and forth of those situations. So you want to get long-term rentals as much as you can, as long as it fits in your profit for you to make your money. And anytime somebody inquires, you get on that calculator, you take out your rent, your utilities, see how much you want to make after that, and then you go from there. So that is just a quick breakdown of things that you need to do to price your Airbnb right. Thank you again for hanging with me here at Rose Credit Repair. And don't forget, like, subscribe, comment below if you have any credit questions. I'm going to be answering them myself in the comments. So you know what to do. Until next time.